In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your account on Circle.so. Whether you found another platform that better suits your needs or you're simply scaling back on online activities, I'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure it's as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Circle.so login page. Enter your email and password to gain access. If you have forgotten your password, you can utilize the Forgot Password link to reset it. It's important to ensure you have access to your registered email address for this step. Once logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where your profile picture is located. Click on your profile photo to reveal a drop-down menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Account Settings. Clicking this will take you to the Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your account, including billing and subscription preferences. Now that you're on the Account Settings page, search for the section related to billing or subscription. This area typically contains all the details about your current plan, payment history, and any active subscriptions. Click on the option titled Go to Billing or Subscription, which will transport you directly to the relevant page where most subscription management actions are handled. On the Billing or Subscription page, look for the option that allows you to cancel your subscription or delete your account altogether. This might be labeled as Cancel Subscription or Delete Account. Be sure to read any information provided on this page carefully, as it may outline the consequences of canceling, such as losing access to certain features or data after a specified period. After clicking the option to cancel or delete, a prompt will typically appear asking for confirmation. At this juncture, it's crucial to pay attention, as this action is often irreversible. Make sure you're certain about proceeding. Click Confirm to finalize the cancellation process. Some platforms may ask for feedback on why you're choosing to leave, which is entirely optional to fill out. Once you've confirmed the cancellation, you should receive a notification or email confirming that the process has been completed. Make sure to check your inbox and any spam folders to ensure you don't miss this confirmation. This email might also contain details on any final billing or next steps if you decide to return in the future. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully canceled your Circle.so account. Always remember to keep an eye on any final charges on your billing statements and to retrieve any important data you might need before you lose access. Thanks for watching, and make sure to leave a comment if you have any questions or need further assistance. Have a great day!